and Kuniko, a library and information services outreach at Central, hosting new program Easy Asian Cooking from this week. So many years living in this country, many ask, how do you cook using these oriental ingredients like bok choys, tofus, and noodles? And to answer the question, I thought it's really nice to have a cooking show. So this week, I'm gonna have tofu. To prepare tofu for cooking, remove water from tofu using 2 kitchen cloths to absorb the water. For a 1-person serving, use a half of tofu. After that, cut each tofu slice a 1/2 inch thick. Next, slice 3 to 4 white mushrooms to biteable sizes after washing them. Or you can buy prepared diced mushrooms. Pour 2 tablespoons of sesame oils into the pan. Place the sliced tofu into the pan. After a while, flip the tofu over and add mushrooms between. By the way, don't forget to flip over the mushrooms. It's optional, but you can use a cover to speed up cooking. After it's done, place your dish on the plate and add the tablespoon of soy sauce to add more flavor. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.